All right, good morning, everyone. Actually, good afternoon. I'm doing this on Sunday afternoon, and the only thing that will change on this chart tomorrow will be our bull bear zone. Bull bear zone from last week was 52.37. I'm gonna talk about some points for oil as we're looking at it going into 2005. Some key points that we're going to have to address and to possibly look at. So we will start out the day tomorrow with the higher value right here at 53.33. All right, we'll have the point of control at 52.74 here in yellow, as you can see the yellow line. The bull bear zone from Friday was 52.37, and then we have the low of the value right here at 52. So I think that some key points that we talk about when we look at this big gold move, I'm sorry, big oil move, the big move down. I'm going to show you some things, and I don't, they may be far fetched, but here is some next key levels on the downside, and I think that we're going to be prepared that gold or oil is going to make a move to the down that no one's ever expected. When you take a look where we came from, the 120 area. But here's the low of January. Here are the next levels I'm looking at. January 2007 was 49.32. Take a look at the next big key level, and I'm not here to scare anybody, but we're not. When we get that move, we're gonna go. I can't believe we made that move. Here's January 2004 at $40, and then this low is gonna surprise you. But let's take a look at the next key level after that. So January 2009, we were at $34, which was not that far away ago. January 2009, $34. So who knows what's going on in oil as far as why? I mean, I've heard oversupply, global slowdown, that the Arabs and Saudis and the U.S. are conspiring together to bring the price of oil down to hurt Iran, hurt the Soviet Union, the old Soviet Union, Russia, and Venezuela. So it doesn't know. As far as we're concerned, we just got to be looking at some key areas. Tomorrow, I will up the bull bear zone based on the fact that I will change that based on overnight action. But if you take a look at here on the upside, important, we got a single print from 53.71 to 53.80. Then again, we have some single prints right here from 55.42 up to 55.61. And then the next thing I want to talk about is that we have a gap left on the 20-day profile from 59.15 up to 59.88. 59.88. Let me bring that. I'm going to bring that chart in now and show you that. So we have a 20-day profile. I'm showing you this 20-day profile. Putting the mode at 55.93. This is the gap that I'm talking about. This this right here, 59.16 to 59.83. We have another small gap right here. Okay. And then we have another large gap right here at $64 to 65. And then, the top up here of 67. So, as I look at the year going into 2015, I'm looking at oil with the possibility of trading between as low as 34 and back up to the $70 area. So, we're going to have to, judge it based on what's going on and what we see. But I think that's going to be an important issue for us in oil and the volatility that we've seen. Can't put any. I can't put my finger on it. I did think that the oil will be disconnected, you know, from the stock market, because what's happened now is that the energy stocks have been uh, basically dumped out of the S&P 500 and the holdings. So the drag on the market is done. There shouldn't be a disconnect, but the price of oil is definitely going to be in the short term, as I look at it, will be a positive on the economy based on what it does for the consumer. But in the long run, what it does for oil production and slowdown also is something you have to look at. And everyone keeps grappling with the fact that we could have deflation, and the Fed has no tools to fight deflation. So that's an issue. So I don't think oil is going to be less volatile this year. I think it'll be good. It will be more volatile, and it should give us some great trade setups. So tomorrow, before the opening of oil, I will post the new bull bear zone, and as you can see, our 5 minute pivot is right here. It was getting ready to take it out in the close, which was 52.81. I will update oil tomorrow real quickly with about a 2 minute video updating the bull bear zone and so on. All right, this is Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market. Make sure you go and register on the site, and you can get these our updates on oil and ES and bonds and the other things that we're covering. And follow me on Twitter at Man Over Market Twitter. And the beginning of 2015, let's have a great year and make some money. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.